Welcome back everyone to our Dodge Ram rebuild. Today's project is to put it up on the lift, check out any damage or anything else like that, also see why it was having such a hard time moving when we were trying to pull it into the shop, and then tear the rest of it down to assess all the damage that needs to be repaired. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so right off the bat, notice this buckle here, because the bumper was bent in and this rail moved over, but that shouldn't be too bad to get it back into place and straighten this buckle out. Bottom part of the shroud missing. I'm gonna try straighten these long arms out, because you see this one is straight. This one's got a little bit of a bend to it, but hopefully we can just straighten that out. Looks like they did the lift kit the correct way. I mean, they have drop downs for everything. The diff drop down, control arm drop downs. Otherwise, Florida car, not seeing any excessive rust except for the normal stuff. Okay, so overall, not too bad. Let's take a look at the rest of it. Okay, so have nice easy access to beat that all back out into shape, and then just put a small skim coat on there to make it perfect. Right, well, and then the other thing that we didn't notice why I was having a hard time moving is because this was touching the rim, so that makes sense. But this is a factory spare tire, but since the lift kit, it has a different spindle on there, and that moves this over, and that's why we need it. It has to have the bigger wheels, and this one doesn't work on it. Okay, so we got a few parts in for the Ram. So let's check out what we got. And we can see what I have planned for this truck. So, right off the bat, we got the front steel bumper. We got it primed and for paint, basically. So what we're planning to do is we're going to make the whole truck black. We're going to make a blackout edition, but everything is going to be body color. That's the reason why the original was chrome. We got this one, so that way we can paint it and we don't have issues with the paint sticking. So we got that. We got same thing for the rear bumper. Surprised that we were able to actually find one with the backup sensors, steel, and for paint. Got that. I was actually quite surprised when I went to go pick this up. With the size and the shape of this fender, usually it takes at least a couple of tries to get a good one in. And we got a good one on the first try with no damage on it. Hopefully it stayed that way with me driving it back. It stayed that way. Pretty good quality, even has this little strip here like the factory one does, even though it's aftermarket. So all the tabs are there, everything's there. So that's good. This should be the upper plastic piece for the front bumper. Floppy piece, but that will should fit. We'll figure out how it fits in there. Alright, so obviously got a new tire. I was lucky enough to find there's one on eBay, the exact same tire and with the same tread depth. Got a good deal, saved probably 120 bucks on that by getting it off of eBay. Got the rim. To match They sent me the correct one. 20 by 9 with a negative 12. So that's exactly what we need. Next, got the radiator support, all one big piece. Oh, look at that. Even the dealer doesn't give you the adjustable bump stops. Got those. Nope, it goes this way. So I decided on these headlights to go with our blacked out theme, with the black housing, and it'll also have a halo there and a LED strip. Look pretty cool in the pictures. We'll see what it looks like once we get it on the car, but I think it'll be good. Okay, what do we got left? Oh, all right. I think these are the flares. We got the hardware to install the flares. Now, the truck already has flares on there, but in my opinion, I think these are going to look much better on there. Basically, those are the pocket rivet flares. Oh, it's the front one, okay. I was going to say it looks kind of tiny. But I think these will look real nice, especially painted to body color. Got all four. Basically got all four for the price of what one costs from the factory, and it should look a lot better. So those will be nice. And then, last but not least, since the mirror was damaged in the accident, I also decided to go aftermarket with these. That's a lot of packaging. Oh, they've got some weight to them. Alright, so that's for the passenger side. Wound up getting the tow mirrors. Basically, they got the LED puddle light on there. It's got an LED turn signal, but then just like on the factory Rams, the cool part is that you can flip these out and they stick way out. You still got that blind spot mirror in there, heated, power. I think those are going to look real good on there too. It's going to give it, since it's raised higher up, this will also fit into this theme. Alright, so
I think that's it for the parts. We also got the door, but it's off to the side. We'll get that. We'll get this door stripped off, get the other one hung on there, and then we'll start working on it.